Before switching to facing out, make sure your baby is at least 5 months old and weighs no more than 25 pounds. Start by putting on the harness with the BabyBjörn logo on your left side. Position the strap cross just below your shoulder blades so it sits comfortably. Use the built-in ruler to set the size adjustment based on your baby's height. Slide the double buckle along the ruler to find the right setting. Attach the carrier front to the harness by clipping each harness strap into the double buckle until you hear a click on each side. Bring the panel up and attach one side latch by hooking it into the slot on the shoulder strap. Then lightly tighten both shoulder straps. Check that the straps feel snug and comfortable and form an X across the center of your back to help balance weight evenly. Hold baby facing away from you. Guide one of their legs through the opening between your body and the carrier panel, then lift the panel up while supporting them. Attach the second latch by hooking it into the slot on the other shoulder strap. Keep the head support folded down for the facing out position and lay across baby's shoulders. Then attach both clips to secure it. For an older baby, their arms can rest above the folded down head support. Tighten the shoulder straps one at a time. Lift baby slightly and adjust their position so they are sitting high and supported. Before heading out, use the T.I.C.S check. Make sure baby is tight and secure, in view at all times, close enough to kiss, with their chin off their chest, and their back supported in an upright position. Keep checking in on baby every few minutes while you're out.